Reykjavik has just over 120,000 people, yet its streets are always full of life. This is a city where nature and urban life exist in perfect harmony, one of the world's smallest capital, and one of the most unique places you'll ever experience. Towering above Reykjavik is Hallgrímskirkja, one of Iceland's most recognizable landmarks. Inspired by volcanic basalt columns, its striking design reflects the powerful landscapes that shaped this island. Step inside and the same simplicity continues, with soaring ceilings and a peaceful atmosphere. Here's something many visitors don't realize. You can see this church from almost anywhere in the city, making it the perfect landmark whenever you lose your way. Standing beneath it, it's impossible not to feel small. Just a short walk away, the city transforms completely. Welcome to Harpa, Iceland's world-famous concert hall. Its glass facade mirrors the sea, the changing sky, and the city around it. Step inside and every corner feels thoughtfully designed. It's the kind of place that's just as beautiful indoors as it is outside. It's one of those rare buildings that feels alive with light. Welcome to the Sun Voyager, one of Reykjavik's most iconic landmarks. Standing along the city's waterfront, it's one of Iceland's most photographed sites. It's actually a sculpture representing hope, freedom, and the spirit of exploration. The Old Harbor. Just beyond the Sun Voyager, Reykjavik opens toward the sea. For generations, this harbor has connected Iceland with the North Atlantic, helping shape the country's history. Today, it's a place where fishing boats, snowy peaks, and fresh ocean air come together in perfect harmony. If you're enjoying this cinematic journey through Reykjavik, don't forget to subscribe to Tripinn and hit the bell. We explore beautiful destinations around the world in stunning 4K, bringing you closer to places worth discovering. Skólavörðustígur, better known as Rainbow Street. From the waterfront, the city suddenly becomes brighter. Its colorful pathway has become one of Reykjavik's most iconic symbols, celebrating creativity, diversity, and self-expression. Surrounded by cafes, boutiques, and local art, it's impossible to walk here without smiling. Just around the corner is Laugavegur, the beating heart of Reykjavik. Every block offers something different. Independent shops, cozy cafes, street art, and colorful buildings make this one of the city's most enjoyable streets to explore. Sometimes the best discoveries aren't planned at all. Reykjavik isn't a city that tries to impress you with size. It wins you over in quieter ways. Through colorful streets, bold architecture, fresh ocean air, and landscapes that never feel far away. Every corner feels thoughtfully designed. Every walk feels unhurried. And before you realize it, Reykjavik leaves you with something every great destination should: the desire to come back. As our walk through Reykjavik comes to an end, one thing becomes clear: this is a city best experienced at your own pace. If you enjoyed exploring Reykjavik with us, give this video a like, subscribe to Tripinn, and join us as we continue discovering some of the world's most beautiful destinations in stunning 4K. We'll see you on the next journey.